Phonics Mastery. Time to speak English confidently.
Hey, what if you could speak fluent English in 2026 without endless frustration? But how do you make it real? Stick around, because this plan will change everything. Let's get started. You know, we all want to learn English and nail it this year. It's like the ultimate New Year gift we're giving ourselves in 2026. But hey, now that we've set that goal, how do we actually make it happen? Okay, before I jump into the details, let me break down two super important things about English learning. There are basically two sides to it: the consumption part, which is the easy, fun bit, and the creation part, which is a bit tougher. But trust me, it's not rocket science, just a little more effort than chilling with a video. Yeah, like eating popcorn versus making the popcorn yourself. Consumption is all about taking in English. Right now, as I'm talking to you, you're consuming it. You're learning without even trying, because that's how our brains work. Default mode. You're listening, and if you can follow every sentence I'm saying, that means you're not starting from zero. On a scale of 0 to 10, you're probably already at a solid 4 or 5. I mean, if you can understand my super clear English, where words just drop like distinct little raindrops, you're doing great. My pronunciations are crystal clear, so anyone can get it, whether you're from India, America, or anywhere. I've worked hard on that clarity. It didn't come naturally, but hey, that's a story for another day. We'll chat about it later, promise. So you're at 4 or 5 already. Awesome. But how do we kick it up? The biggest mistake most people make on this journey to better communication and speaking English is consuming way too much compared to creating. That's where it's all going wrong. Consumption is easy. Watching a video, piece of cake. Listening to a podcast, super chill. Reading a book. Okay, maybe a bit tougher, but still easier than writing one, right? Someone else did the heavy lifting, and you're just enjoying the ride. Hats off to you for choosing good stuff. Good choice. But you're not really pushing yourself there. Now, creation, that's where the magic happens. You're building English yourself, creating sentences, making it flow from you. It could be writing, typing, or the big one, speaking. Speaking is the most important activity for learning English, hands down. But that's where most folks lag behind. Why? Because stepping out of that comfort zone feels scary. Come on, why stay cozy when you can delay your own success? It's like saying, yeah, I'll be fluent one day. Why wait 10 years when you can crush it in just one? That's the real question. Change now. Difficulties are fun. Challenges are what make us celebrate wins. Humans love them. It's in our DNA. We tackle, succeed, high-five ourselves. So switch it up. More creation than consumption.
We're clear on consumption and creation now. Consumption has two activities, reading and listening. Creation has speaking as top priority, then writing. Out of these four, I believe, no exaggeration, 90% of your progress rides on speaking. And I'm guessing you're not doing enough of that. Too scared? It's inside you, that fear. Gotta kick it out. I can motivate you, give trackers, tips, but the real work, that's on you. Honestly, I can't do more than that. The heavy lifting is yours. So this video's going to lay out the specific to-dos, things you gotta do. Then I'll talk about a tracker we have for you in the description. Totally free, just download and use it. But remember, the hard work's on you. We'll cover specific to-dos, the tracker, and super important, 8 things you absolutely do not have to do on this journey. And I've got some fun, stunning pointers there. You'll be like, whoa, really? Let's start with the specific to-dos. I've divided it into 3: daily challenge, weekly challenge, and monthly challenge. And to track them all, there's that tracker. Okay, daily challenge first. Really simple, anyone can do it. If you're serious about learning, improving your personality, boom, you got this. Consumption of 30 minutes every day. Creation of just 15 minutes. Totals 45 minutes of dedicated English daily. But one thing where you might slip, listening to random stuff in the background, like news on the bus or an English song in your car, doesn't count. Nope, it has to be focused, something you choose, not passive background noise. That's learning too, but you'll drift off thinking about dinner or work. This is your 45-minute English gym session. I know it might sound tough. It's not. Consumption is fun. You're watching a TV show you picked. Friends, Dexter, whatever floats your boat. 30 minutes fly by, poof, gone. You won't even notice. The 15 minutes creation, that's where your mind gets challenged and learns big time. And for consumption, assume you're paying attention. Be honest to yourself. If you can't be loyal to you, who can you be loyal to?
Doubt. What if I miss a day? Like gym days you skip. Fine, but don't miss 2 in a row. Simple rule. Miss today, do it tomorrow. Miss tomorrow, day after. Breaks max 1 day. Believe me, after 5-10 days, you'll love it. Won't want to break the streak. Now, weekly challenge. Easy, just sum of daily. About 200 minutes consumption, 100 minutes creation. Total 300 minutes focused English. Tell me, if you do that in a week, how could you not improve? Impossible. You'll pick up words, discover podcasts, admire teaching styles. You're in hunt mode, deep flow. Progress shows quick, really quick. Last, monthly challenge, where muscles build. Simple, 800 minutes total, 13 hours consumption, 6.5 hours creation, about 20 hours dedicated English. 20 hours? Not even an hour a day, less than our 45-minute start. Nothing. Can you not do this for yourself? And just for 1 year. Then problem solved. Move to next goals. Career step up, whatever. We'll help there too. Here's the nicest bit. We made a tracker for you, free in description. Self-explanatory. Download, look, manage. Simple for anyone. Track religiously. Now, what to read, listen, write, speak. Ideas and PDF in description. My personal recs. Millions good books. Pick your genre. I love sci-fi, not much nonfiction. Reading Leo Tolstoy's Anna Karenina now. Big novel, but it pulls me in. Urge to read. Don't know why, but happening. Anyway, listening? Great video I made. Link here. English podcast recs. One's BBC 6-minute episodes aim to teach English. Easy, old, but good. Watch on the metro. Other audio podcasts? Find your flavor. Good TV shows, movies? I recommend on Instagram. Brilliant IMDb ratings only. Recent ones? LA Confidential, Spotlight, names in PDF. Writing, daily journal. I wrote all life. No locks, sister spied, but okay. Maintain privacy, hide it. Type if you want, but I prefer writing. Mind works better. Write life episodes. Pick topic, describe 10-15 minutes. Done. Ask ChatGPT for topics, thousands ways. Speaking, TopRec, my app for AI talk. Thousands use daily, surprised us. Free, ChatGPT talk, mirror technique. As a kid, I spoke to mirror, eye contact, random blabber. Nobody judges, make mistakes. Still do, became a habit. Talk like crazy. Pause, look around if someone's watching. They'd think I'm nuts. Solves life problems. Try it.
Last part, 8 things not to do. First, stuck on grammar. Your grammar not perfect? Okay. Everybody mistakes. I do in Hindi, my native. Don't hang forever. Ego pulling back. Make mistakes. Learn. Let people laugh. They don't write your future. You do. Point 2, typing content. Proofread. ChatGPT does it. Tool, alina.com/grammar. Checks mistakes. Prettier article. Journal, photo to ChatGPT. Tells errors. Free. Use it better. Next, train algorithm. Algorithms read us. Show what you're interested in. Pick carefully. Instagram Explore, choose video for future recs. Fitness, pick fitness one. It'll recommend more. Train on growth, not garbage. 3 hours gone. Think 15 minutes? Addictive. Train it, not slave. Point 4, keep growth mindset. Growth slow, challenges hard. I get it. But happens. For others, why not you? Growth possible. Coming. Once started, only forward. No loss, only gain. Point 5, don't announce ideas prematurely. Start something, Tell world, people destroy happiness, fun of you, pull spirit down, can't destroy what don't know. Rule I follow, don't tell till out there. Announce, dopamine kick, motivation drops, make yourself happy, not people. Point 6, track religiously, no track, lost, life heavy, work, personal, relationships, forget without track. Stock market, check app 10x a day, tracking progress, not money linked, motivation gone, but indirectly financial, speak well, better opportunities, more money, settled life. Point 7, use updated resources, formula works 20-25 days, change, or bored, progress backward, finish TV show daily bits, move next, variety, finish book quick, reading hard, brain exercise, imagine, most don't, plain eye look, nobody reads. Why? Beautiful habit, gives more than takes, boring book, quit, don't kill habit. Point 8, follow me on Instagram, not promo, mean it. Publish precise English content, effort huge. Acts, skits, words, amazing English. Not taking lightly, go see. Learn reels, design to teach. YouTube shorts too, hard work. Want to teach, impart knowledge, not kill time. This it, video makes you perfect English 2026. Wish luck, maximum I could do. Rest you. Connected well-being. Remember why started. Motivates daily. Disciplined, highest self-love. See next. Thanks much. Subscribe if not. Now time. Bell icon. Share friend care. Thanks. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.
Stop waiting. Start speaking. The journey's just begun. If this fired you up, smash that subscribe button. Turn on notifications and join the Phonics Mastery family. Next video's coming soon. Don't miss it.